Thanks to the new Danalock smartphone controlled door, coming home is fun and easy. Now you can simply leave your keys at home. No matter where you are, you can always give others access to your door through the app on your smartphone. Choose to grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, a few minutes, or even specific dates and times. You never have to think about lost keys again. And if the smartphone is lost, the access rights can be deleted in just a few seconds. A 24/7 activity log tracks who enters and exits your home. And with unique keys for each user, you'll always know who opens your door and when. With Danalock products, you can control any door at your home. For instance, your garage can be opened automatically and you can make it request a confirmation when you approach the gate. Of course, you can always open the door the old-fashioned way, just by using a key. All Danalock products work together to make life more simple and secure.